Hello and welcome. I wanted to film a quick video on the topic, probably the top question we get asked, and that is, what exactly is video asset and property documentation? And I'm glad you asked that. Essentially, in short, it is the process of recording a home or business inventories by videographing their contents. So you might be wondering, okay, well, why should I document my home or business, and why should I care? Why is this even important? And that's because in the event of a major loss such as a fire, an earthquake, burglary, theft, flood, hurricane, etc., it is an insurance policy standard that the burden of proof rests on the shoulders of the insured, i.e. you, homeowner, business owner, to prove what was actually lost, stolen, or severely damaged beyond repair. Also, while true that insurance companies accept receipts, pictures, itemized lists, etc., it is the uniqueness of professional video documentation that provides a complete and comprehensive record of the contents of your home or business. So consider the following. Belongings easily forgotten will be recorded, virtually paying for the price of the video documentation service. Insurance claims will be expedited and processed with little to no dispute. And third, video documentation provides a valid record of what someone had when probating an estate. And finally, number 4 is peace of mind is priceless, as you have your most cherished and valuable assets on an official video record in the event of a disaster or other major loss. These are just 4 main things here that I wanted to point out, just to consider the value of having a professional videographer come and complete an asset property documentation for your home, your business, and your assets. We completely believe that home is where the heart is, and we understand that family is everything. It is really a priority in our lives, especially, the outside world can be crazy, chaotic, and hectic, and your home is really your oasis. It's really your sanctuary, and is really the place that you can truly be at ease as you're spending time with those that you love and those that matter most in your life. And so, as we always say that, life happens, accidents and disasters can occur in the blink of an eye. Protect your assets and your property, because peace of mind is truly priceless. And so if you are interested in having a professional videographer come out and do an assessment and do a complete documentation of all of your assets and properties, we do invite you to learn more by either scanning the QR code on your phone in the corner here, or you can click the link in the description box below. It'll take you straight away over to the intake form, and we'll be able to get an inquiry, and we'll set up a phone conversation, answer any questions, and then come out and get you all protected and squared away. I am the founder. My name is Aya, and I just firmly believe that you created the memories and stories. Allow us to document and protect them.